A little hungover this morning, huh?
It's a rough one. All right, guys, how's it going? Here at the we'll call the wood duck hole. It's middle of January now, not January, December. Not a lot of wood ducks around, but it is filled with mallards and widgeon at least. I'm not sure what else is on here. That's what I could see from yesterday. Been real cold the last couple days. Our first kind of cold front. But we got the ice ripper and the generator in here. Kept it open. It wasn't frozen or anything. They had been using it. Just kept it open yesterday night. And then it warmed up a little bit. Well, then they started using it yesterday day when it was cold. And then came back here last night, filled it back up with fuel, ran it till probably went out right in the last hour or so. Pond's completely open. It is a little warmer than they said it was going to be, so I'm not sure if it was actually going to refreeze, but we brought extra fuel in case it does, we can turn it on. We also left a dozen decoys in, or put a dozen decoys in the pond when I filled up the first time, just so the birds could see it. I had some extra ones, but we got another 2 dozen right here. And we got 4 dozen dive bombs back there. Real small pond, but we're going to load it up. We're pretty close to public. And hopefully some of the other ponds around here did freeze last night. The ground's all frozen. And if that's the case, they'll be flying around looking for a new place to be. We'll be here for them. So a lot of decoys, probably way too many decoys for this pond, but we'll see how it goes. Shoot 'em. Hey! Hey! Get up! Hey! Get up! Hey!
Nice shot. Good shot.
Shoot that drink.
Oh, good shooting.
Kill those two.
One jumped up. Good. Nice shot.
Hey! Hey! Get up! Right. Shot!
That was a drake too.
God, you guys are deadly. What, Cody? Your geese. Oh. That is a beauty. Touch it up.
He's getting away from you, Buck.
Good dog. Come here. Come here. Alright guys, picking up all widgeon so far. It's just beautiful. I don't know if you consider it a storm. I don't know if it's got enough. I have to look it up. I'm sure on a widgeon, but beautiful colors. All they don't usually have it like that. Beautiful bird. Definitely save this one for some of them out if they like it. But keep picking them up. It wouldn't be the Woody pond if we didn't shoot at least one Woody. So absolute gorgeous. It's December. Wasn't expecting to shoot one of these at all, but that is a beautiful, beautiful drake wood duck. So a few more birds to pick up, and we'll be back to shooting.
3 of the pond. Nice.
Kill him. I thought those were way closer than they were. That was my bad. I pulled up there, I'm like, shit.
Nice shot call, shot
Yeah,
caller.
it was bad, alright? I got a little excited. That was my bad. Alright guys, a little update for you. I am officially in the ghillie suit. So, had those two widgeon come over. I got a little excited, called it a little early, but I got both of them. I don't think we got on footage though. So, we were up to like 15 birds. I've shot mine, so I'm just going to hang out. I'm not sure if we're going to see any more or not, but geese have just started to fly around, and saw those two widgeon, and songbirds are flying all over the place, so hopefully that gets things stirred up a little bit, but figured I'd let Cody shoot a little bit if anything else comes out, just in case like a big flock happens or something like that, and we'll see how she goes.